student. So today's topic is window positioning. What is a positioning? So position is the point where we start or where we want to show our element, our objects or images. Correct. So window position, it means where we want to start our window and open, or we can open our window. We can open this window top, left, right. So we want to give some attribute values for that window positioning. It's a left and top, correct. So using those two elements, we can change the our window position. So for that, we write a new statement, or we use a new variable for that, and in that variable we will give those two things in our window. So so look at your program. In my program, I open a new window, and also I give the left and top parameters. So where those two parameters here, left and top. If I changed that two values, left and top parameter, or those 0 0. So you can see what the difference between previous one and new one. So first of all, I give my value 0 0. So let's this program, run this program and save it. We can see what we will get. So this is my output for the program. Click the button to open a new window. If I click that window, so it started here, right? Zero positioning. So if I change my thing, if I change this value left to, if I gain 10, also here I change my value, sorry, 10. So if I save this program, what should we get? I close this program, and again I will run this program. So let's again open window. Yeah, you can see that the position it's changed, because previously it's open in a 0 point, but now it's scaling. I change that size and it's opening left side to 10%. So if again I change my positioning point, if I give here 20, let's see what happened. 1 second. First of all, we have to close that previous window. Yeah. So let's run this program. First save this and then run this program. Open window. Yeah. You can see that this window is open to this point. Correct. If I again change my value to here 40, if it change or not, we will see. Let's close the window first and run this window and open. Yeah, you can see that it's moved 10, 20, 40. So it's moved right to left. So it's left moving, it's to left sides, correct? So in that way you can change the position of your window, and you can also give a width and height, correct? So my next point is, how can we write any statement in your window? If you open a new window and you want to write something, or you want to give some content on that window, so can you write something in your window? For that, we will use some text for that window. For that, I use here in my program this statement. This is a line written in a new window. You can see that in previous example we didn't write anything or any line in our new window, but here I write something. So that's why I'm using mywing.document.write, and then I give this small statement for my new window, correct? So let's save this program, and you can see that. 1 second. Yeah, you can see that those two lines, the line written in a current window, because I previously run that window. If I close this and again run this program, yeah, you can see this line written in a current window, correct? So this way you can change the content of your window. Yeah. for the closing window, you have to give a new button for the closing window, correct? So this is a simple button you have to put, and you use a close function for that button. So using close function, you can I'm sorry, you can close the current window. Okay, so on that button you write close function and open function. For the opening window you write open function, oh sorry, and for the closing window you write your close function, correct? So one second. If I write these things, what we will get? I put here some buttons, some script function, then some new function also. You can see that. Okay, so let's see this example. Yeah, you can see that I wrote here those two. I close this body, so let's delete this. I will mix these two programs, but yeah, so I want to delete also this function. That's it. So you can see that this is my program. Click the window to open new tab. If I click this button, first button, second button. First button is a new tab, second button is a close tab. Open window is my button name and close window is also my second button name. And here I use script tag. This is my opening script tag and closing script JavaScript. In there I use a variable myBit, and in that variable I wrote something which is open function, correct? And my closing window, my closing tab function, I wrote my close function. So let's run this program and then see we will get what we will get. Oh, first of all I close this window, then run this program. Yeah, you can see that I got a two button. First one is for open window and second one is for close window. If click on that button and if I close, you can see that those window will be closed. Okay, 1 second. And okay, if I close button, yeah, you can see this window will be closed. So that's it for today's lecture. We will see in next lecture how can we change the content. Today lecture we will see how we change the content, how we change the point. So next point we will see multiple windows at the same time or at a glance. It means at the same point we will open a multiple window. Thank you for today's lecture. Today's lecture will be in here.